Okay, so we go over some basic navigation within Quick Terrain Reader. It's a great piece of software just to visualize a point cloud, not to really do any analysis. So we're going to start with panning. Right click and drag. Tilting is accomplished by a left click on your mouse and dragging. And then zoom in or zoom out with the scroll wheel. Every time you move, you'll notice it redraws the model. Depending on the performance of your video card, it can be faster or slower than what you're seeing here. So in this default view, we can see the height of our light standards, buildings, canopy height, signage. Not the best tool for things like cross sections, but we can see things like curbs. Zoom back out here. There's a few viewing options that will help you interpret what you're seeing. If we go up into this menu area, if you click on Toggle Vertex Colors, this will allow you to view the LiDAR points not only by elevation color, but also by intensity. So if we zoom in, you can see line painting, crosswalks, stop areas. We didn't do a full scan of the entire parking lot just because there was a lot of traffic, so you can't see all the parking stalls, but if we had, they would all be visible. These areas here are just noise from vehicles or people. This of course was during the day. You can also turn off the color, which allows interpreting line painting a little bit easier, especially if you're at a zoomed out level. We'll just turn all that back on. If we go over here, you can see we can configure the point size. This is a very high density scan, so I keep the points as small as possible. I recommend you do the same. Unless you're using different LiDAR data that's captured at a much less dense rate, you can auto-adjust the point size. But with so much density, it just messes up what you're looking at. So I'm going to close that. It's going to take a crop of this scan. So it doesn't include the empty area of the points or outside the perimeter. And from that, we can go up to the model information and determine the density, distribution, height, location. And you'll notice the density is about 29, almost 3,000 points per meter. So again, that's why we want to keep that point size really small. And this is a raw point cloud. We could thin this, of course. So that is the basics of using Qt Reader. Again, excellent just for visualizing point cloud. Thank you.